So we're doing a 335i downpipe. Turn it off.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to another Senders International video. We got the squad here. We're installing this VRSF downpipe on a 335i BMW. I'll put the before clip in right now. Here's the install. It should be fun because it's German engineering.
Hope you guys enjoy the fucking content here.
Got an R8 in the back, but we're too poor to upgrade that right now. So fucking subscribe and like so we can get a twin turbo kit on that.
Alright, so far we've got the O2 sensors up on the top of the car, unplugged. We had to take off the cowl and everything for that. But now I got my NASCAR Ugga gun. And then I'm gonna take off all these 8mm bolts for the under trays here so I can get to the beautiful hot downpipe.
Damn. I think the air compressor is dying.
Yeah, it's not building up.
Yeah. It's on auto.
There is the dead cactus. There.
Look at that dead motherfucker. That looks
That shit got.
Whoa, that's a little fucking mouse.
Fuck off!
Got all the underneath out. Alright, so we got all the under trays off that we need to, and now we're running into a new issue. So to get the clamp where the downpipe connects to the turbo is way up above the subframe. It's the X drive. So every form is saying that you have to drop the subframe, which I think is total BS. There's no way. So we're gonna try to get it through the fender. So it's up behind there. Probably gonna try to get right between this control arm here and the subframe.
Cunt. Don't tell me what to fucking do.
There ain't no subframe dropping on this channel. Bolt. That's the nut right there. So you come up through by your axle here and your subframe, or your engine mount, sorry. Go right up in there. And you can get her with an adapter. Right where the finger is. So don't drop your subframe, because subframes are gay.
You're a waste, dude.
You're a waste, you.
You guys got it out?
You heard it here first.
Got the fucker.
Got the bolt out up there. Now we're trying to get this guy here, one up there, this one there. But they're so rusted on that we're probably gonna have to cut them off. The bracket's removed, now we're trying to separate the pipe here. Off of all of these from the bracket there. So now we gotta drop this pipe and then wiggle the downpipe out.
Liam, how would you say how much
Boom,
of a pipe?
your downpipe out and you're fucking good to put her back in. Downpipe fully disconnected. Chunky, gross looking unit. How easy was that?
Not. Now you gotta... Well, we got it out with the transfer case in. It's an all-wheel drive. And usually people say drop the subframe, but don't do that. It's a lot of wasted time to drop the subframe when you can just squeeze it out without doing that.
What are we doing now, bud?
Now, since the turbo and downpipe are connected with the V-band. We have all our new hardware here to go from the downpipe to the rest of the exhaust. And then the gasket as well. BMW took the 9mm. All right, exhaust bolted back up, back plate, middle bracket, E10 socket, and then all the way up at the turbo and the downpipe connection up there is the V-band. Tighten that with a 13mm, and then these here from VRSF are also 13mm. And that is it for down here. O2 sensors are also bolted up and fed all the way back up to the top of the engine here.
And didn't have to drop the fucking subframe. Time to start her up. Colby just has to get rid of his cats now.
Yeah, bro.
You're Catless. I'm Catless. Ethan's got to go Catless too. That's a wrap, boys.